Hello ladies and gentlemen, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, this is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about Saturn combust in 2021 from 8th of Jan 2021 to 9th of Feb 2021. For 30 days Saturn is going to combust in Capricorn sign, and you know very well my all predictions are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your moon sign and zodiac sign or sun sign. Just follow my video, keep ascendant sign in your mind and listen my video. So guys, first of all, let's talk for the Aries ascendants. Aries ascendants, your 10th house lord Saturn combust in your 10th house. You will feel little bit slow in your professional life, but you will get fantastic results because Saturn is combust in Capricorn sign, in on sign. If you have a combust Saturn in your birth chart, then this combust period will be excellent for you. And if you have a rise Saturn in your birth chart, then you will feel little bit slow at your workplace. You need to perform your best to get results from your work or job. Your seniors are not satisfied from your performance. The way you are working at your workplace, they are not satisfied. They are demanding something more because Saturn is combust in your 10th house. You need to be careful about your father health. You need to be careful about your self-respect. These 30 days from 8th Jan to 9th Feb 2021 is not very promising for you. You will get everything, I am telling you again and again, but after struggle, after hard work, after put your 100% efforts, you will get 60-70% results. Aries, you need to chant mantra Sita Ram Cha Hanumate Nama, Sita Ram Cha Hanumate Nama, Sita Ram Cha Hanumate Nama. You must read Hanuman Chalisa before sleep 3 times, 5 times, 7 times. You must read Sankat Mochan 3 times, 5 times, 7 times. More you chant this mantra or read Hanuman Chalisa, you will feel magic and much relaxation of your mind. I am telling you, you will get all results, very positive results you will get, but after some delay, because the combust of the Saturn in your 10th house, Saturn needs some hard work from your side. If you are performing your best at your workplace with your honesty, with your determination, with your passion, you will definitely get fantastic result start of the Feb. But till the time, you need to perform best with honesty. You will get fantastic results. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus ascendants. Taurus ascendants, Saturn is combust in your 9th house. Your 9th lord combust in your 9th house. You need to be careful while talking with others. Don't show your ego and attitude. You will get a lot of good results. There is no doubt. Good fortune is in your favor. Your 11th lord is in 9th. Your 9th lord is in 9th. And Mercury is also entering your 9th house. Your 5th lord is in 9th. You will get a lot of finance, a lot of money. But everything you will get after some delay, after some hurdles. Sometime you feel, oh, I think I'm doing my best in this work, but I'm not able to get the good result. But at the end, you will get good results. You just need to perform your best and believe on yourself. Saturn is going to combust in your 9th house. You need to take care of your father health. You need to take care about your journeys. You may, you may lose anything. You may lost anything during journeys. Even try to avoid the long distance journeys from 8th of Jan to 9th of Feb 2021. But overall, if you are honest about your work, if you are doing best at your workplace, you will definitely get a lot of success in the start of Feb 2021. Taurus, you need to perform your best. Give some respect to your employees. Give some respect to your juniors at your workplace. If you are factory owner, you need to show your respect for your workers. Even try to give some small gift to your workers. Saturn feel much relaxed and showing you a lot of blessings. Taurus, you need to perform best. If you want to get results during Saturn combust period, start respect your employees, start respect your colleagues. If you are factory owner or shopkeeper, start respect or try to give some small gift to your employees or workers. You will feel much relaxed and comfort, and your good fortune is in your favor. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini ascendants. Gemini ascendants, you need to be careful about your health. 8th house, Saturn is going to combust from 8th Jan to 9th Feb 2021. This is not very good for you. You will feel much discomfort. You are not happy. You are feeling very low and down. Your source of earning is not very promising. But by the grace of God, Mars is in your 11th house's own sign. You will get money from somewhere, or some small profit from your workplace will make you happy. But you need to perform your 500% best at your workplace. Then you will get small positive results. Always show your respect and affection to your elders at home. You need to take blessings of your Tauji, your father, your grandfather. If you take blessings of your father, brothers and father side or grandfather side, you will feel much relaxed. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem or litigation. Be careful while driving. Be careful while eating. Stop oily food. Stop eating oily food, junk food, non-veg. Stop eating alcohol, drinking alcohol, Chant the mantra of Ganesh Bhagwan. Om Gan Ganapataye Nama, Om Gan Ganapataye Nama, Om Gan Ganapataye Nama. Read Ganesh Chalisa every day morning 3 times, 5 times. Saturn combust in your 8th house is not very promising for you. You may face some health issues. Lower part of your stomach will be affected. Acidity problem you will face. Some eyesight related trouble you will see. Gemini, you need to take care of your health, you need to take care of your father's health. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer ascendants. 7th house, Saturn is going to combust from 8th Jan to 9th of Feb 2021. These 30 days, you need to be careful while talking with your spouse. Give some love and respect and honor, give some respect to your life partner and spouse or loved one. Don't show your ego attitude, don't show your stubborn nature. Just try to do your wonders when you are talking with your loved one or your husband or your wife. If you are in a living relationship or love relationship, you need to perform your best in your relationship to get fruitful results. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem related to your personal life. If you have a partners in your business, then you need to use good word in front of your partner. Don't show your stubborn nature. Don't show your ego. Just listen everyone and perform your best. Cancer, this is a little bit struggling time for you because Jupiter is also going to combust from mid of the Jan to mid of the Feb in your 7th house. This is not a right time to start anything new with any new business partner. You may start anything new, but don't in partnership. You need to take care of your stomach. You need to take care of talking with your elders at home. Now I'm going to talk about Leo ascendants. Leo ascendants 6th house, Upchasthan, Saturn goes to combust from 8th of Jan to 9th of Feb 2021. First of all, you will get a lot of money from government side. Your loan will be granted and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. But Saturn is combust, so your every work needs some time. You will get everything. If you are applying for the loan, you will get loan, but after 20 days, after 25 days, after 1 month, it will take some time. Saturn is going to give you the right path, there is no doubt, but you need to follow that path with honesty, with dedication, with you are trying to perform your best if you want to get good results. Leo, Saturn is combust, Jupiter is combust on mid of the Jan to mid of the Feb. Don't sign any new documents. Don't show your trust on strangers. Don't start anything new with partnership. Take care of your father health, your grandfather health and your health. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo ascendants. 5th house, Saturn goes to combust from 8th Jan to 9th Feb 2021. These 30 days, if you are going to start anything new, then you don't start anything new. You need to take care while talking with your lover if you are in a relationship. But you will become very creative. Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury, lot of planets in your 5th house, they are helping you. Your source of earning will develop. But combust Saturn 7th aspect is on your 11th house. You will affected from your source of earning. You will see lot of money, but that money will come to you after some time. It will take some time. If you think you will get money after 2 days, you will get money after 10 days. You need to be careful while talking with others. Some unnecessary tension will arise, or you will be a part of any tension without any reason. Now I'm going to talk about Libra ascendants. You need to take care about your mother health. You need to take care while talking with your mother. Show your respect and love to your mother. Your mother is your luck line, lifeline, lucky for you. If you show your respect and take care of your mother, you will feel much relaxed and better. This is not very good time at your workplace. You will see a lot of struggle. You are not happy from your performance. Your seniors are not happy from your performance. You are trying to perform your best, but they are not happy. Because Saturn is combust, Jupiter is combust in the month of Jan. Libra, you need to perform your best at any field, that may be your personal life, that may be your professional life. Don't spend your money. Some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. Health of your mother, matter of concern. You will spend some money on your health of your mother. Take care everything. Try to maintain a balance between your personal life and your professional life. Take care of your mother health. Take care of relationship with your mother when you are talking with her. Try to touch feet of your mother every day. Show your love, respect, and give some gift as a token of love to your mother. Now I'm going to talk about Scorpio ascendants. Scorpio ascendant in Upchaya Bhav. Saturn is going to combust in Capricorn sign. And aspecting is on your 9th house. You need to be careful while traveling. Avoid long distance or short distance travel during this time. Don't show your trust on anyone. Saturn combusts in your 3rd house. Jupiter is also going to combust on mid of the Jan to mid of the Feb, and Saturn is combust from the 8th Jan to 9th of Feb. 2021 is 30 days. If you are trying to start something new, then this is not a right time. You think very big and very high, but the results which you are going to get, that is after 9th of Feb. Scorpio, you need to perform your best because 3rd house, Saturn is very comfortable here. But conjunction with Sun is not comfortable. Try to make a good relationship with your father. Give some respect to your father. Listen to your father. And apply the methods of your father in your life. Apply the rule, regulations of your father in your life. Don't argument with your father. Don't show your stubborn nature in front of him. You need some respect. You need to show your respect. You need to take blessings from your father's side. You will feel much relaxed and comfort. If you are fighting with your father, your whole work will delay. If you are not show the respect and honor to your father, you will be in a crisis. Planets say you something. Saturn say you to maintain a good relationship with your father, to maintain a good relationship at your workplace, with your business associates. Don't spend your money without any reason. You may buy a new car because 4th Lord and 3rd Lord is in 5th house, 2nd Lord, 5th Lord is in 3rd house. Don't spend your money without any reason. You may get a lot of opportunities from foreign land. If you are settled in foreign land, don't try to put extra effort during this time. After 9th Feb or before 8th of Jan, you may apply for the foreign PR or work permit. You will get very good results. Now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius, 2nd house. Saturn is going to combust. You need to take care about your finances, but unexpected money will make you happy. Your bank balance will rise, but not easy. Everything you will get, but after some small struggle. Avoid eating non-veg. Avoid drinking alcohol, whiskey, alcohol, rum, vodka. Don't drink. Just chant Vishnu Bhagwan, Lord Vishnu mantra. Just chant Gayatri mantra every day morning. Try to burn one diya in front of Lord Vishnu. Take blessings of your father's side, your grandfather's side. You will feel much relaxed and better. Saturn combusts in your 2nd house. You will face a lot of problem in your family. Unbalancing situation you will face between you, your siblings and your father, your mother. Some unnecessary arguments are there. from 8th Jan to 9th Feb. Be careful. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn. Saturn is combust in your first house. You're feeling very down and nervous. Sometimes you're feeling very low. You're not in a good mood. You're always disturbed. 8th Jan to 9th Feb, Saturn is testing your patience again. Try to be in a good relationship with your loved one. Give respect to your loved one. Don't think about divorce. Don't think about separation. These 30 days, you need to polish yourself with your positivity. You need to polish yourself with your humbleness. You need to speak nice word in front of your lover, your life partner, your spouse. Professionally, you will be shine. There is no doubt. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. But mentally, you are not comfortable. Mentally, you are not happy. Capricorn, this time you need to perform your best. Jupiter is helping you in your first house, and Jupiter is also going to combust. If you have a combust Jupiter Saturn in your birth chart, then these 30 days will be ultimate for you. Otherwise, you will feel little bit down, but results you will get very good related to your personal life and your professional life. No need to worry about combust planet. You just plan everything. You just plan everything nicely. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius ascendant. Saturn is retrograde in your 12th house. Unexpected expenditures are there. Your money will spend on hospitalization. Long distance journeys are not going to give fruitful results. If you are applying for PR, you have to wait for 9th Feb. After 9th Feb or after mid of the Feb, you will get PR, you will get work permit. There is no doubt. Aquarius, you need to perform your best at your workplace. Some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. You are not feeling comfortable. You will be a part of any fight or any litigation or any problem. One of your near dear friend may leave you. Your relationship will undershadow. You are demanding something from your friend, and they are not going to fulfill that. That's why your relationship will break up. Don't show your stubborn nature. This is not a good time. Your ascendant lord is combust in 12th house. Unnecessary expenditures are there. Must go for the medical charity on Saturday. Aquarius, every Saturday you must perform medical charity to help anyone. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces ascendant. Saturn is combust in 11th house. If you have already combust Saturn in your 11th house, you will earn a lot of money. If you don't have combust Saturn in your birth chart, then you will get everything, but after delay. After some struggle, you need to perform your best at your workplace. You need to perform 200% best at your workplace. Then you will get good results. Pisces, this whole year, Jupiter Saturn transit almost in your 11th house, and Jupiter is whole year transit in your 11th house in Upchaya Bhav. You will be sky high. You will earn a lot of name, fame, prosperity, respect. You will get a lot of good result from higher authority. But during this Saturn combust period from 8th Jan to 9th Feb, you will see some slowdown in your professional life. Don't get upset, because after 9th Feb, you will be on back. You will be on track. I'm praying for your happy future. Stay positive and take care of yourself. Take care of your elders at your home. I will be back with my another video on astrology updates, and thank you for watching my channel and video. Namaskar. Jai Hind.